Objective 3. Find percentiles of a distribution. Definition: the kth percentile of some data is a value, not necessarily a data value, that is greater than or equal to k% of the observations. When you look at the value of k, it's giving you the percentage to the left. For example, if you had an IQ score that was at the 85th percentile, this would mean that 85% of people had an IQ that was the same as yours or less than yours. And that 15%, and how we get 15% is 100 minus 85%, would have an IQ that is greater than your IQ. So let's take a look at this. From 0 to 85, this is the 85th percentile, so this is 85%. And from the 85th to 100 is 15%. So again, in blue, 85% of people have an IQ less than or equal to your IQ. And 15% of people have a higher IQ. Okay, so let's take a look at this next example. It says the dot plot below gives the exam grades for 10 students in an algebra class. We want to find the following percentiles. So the exam grades, if you notice down below, this goes from 0% to 100%. So we have 100%, and then there's 10 of them. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 dots. So 100% divided by 10 dots. Write dots here. And that's equal to 10%. So it's 10% for each dot. So let's take a look at the 90th percentile. The 90th percentile tells us that we need to take 90% and divide it by 10. That's 10 dots. So 90% divided by 10 tells us that we have to find the 9th dot. So let's go ahead and count the 9th dot starting at over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the 9th dot is located in between 90 and 100, which is 95%. So it's at 95%. Next, we want to find the 30th percentile. So 30% divided by 10 tells us that it's the 3rd dot. So let's count the 3rd dot. 1, 2, and then 3. And we notice that it's where it's located at the 50%. Now the 50th percentile, okay, which in the future we'll be using the 50th percentile to measure the center of distribution. 50% divided by 10 gives us the 5th dot. So let's find the 5th dot. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is in between 60 and 70, which is 65%. Okay, the 80th percentile. We're going to take 80% divided by 10, and that's at the 8th dot. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the 8th dot is located at 90%. And the 100th percentile. So 100% divided by 10 is the 10th dot. So if we add the dots, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is at 100%. And the 40th percentile, we're going to take 40% and divide it by 10, which is the 4th dot. So let's take a look at the 4th dot. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4th dot is at 60%.